Hi guys, this is BLESSEDTECH. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So remember to like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. So I'm going to show you on how to set a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro that the keyboard light is not showing. Just like as you can see, this keyboard light is not showing. So I will press the keyboard light. You see this for brightness. This, do you see it? This is for the keyboard light. So I'm going to show you on how you can fix a problem like this. So let's go. You go to setting preference, then you go to keyboard. Here you click it. You see adjust keyboard brightness in low light. If your own is Mac, you unmark it. So I have unmarked it. So what I will do, I will close it and go back to check it. Do you see? You see it? It's now on. So thank you guys for watching to my YouTube.